Yo, what's up today, guys? Check it out.
Hey, Dad, sit right here by me.
I'm coming, just a minute. We're gonna eat these organic Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts.
They're Nature's Path, organic, non-GMO, project verified, USDA organic. We got strawberry here. Okay, we're gonna try these out between me and the kids. See how we like them. The ingredients are pretty solid.
I wanna open it.
Let's try them out.
I know. It's a crystal
All right,
rock.
so
A crystal rock.
we're gonna get down. We'll get down.
People are taking you.
Yeah. Oh, we each get a packet, huh?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to cook them in the toaster or just eat them uncooked?
And mine cooked.
Uncooked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine uncooked.
It's not a good thing. Okay, guys, let's eat it.
Whoa.
I'll go cook one.
Good. Good.
Is it yummy? Yeah?
And it feels yummy when I taste it in these clothes. It's so yummy.
When you eat it in these clothes, it's really yummy?
Yeah.
Mm.
When I eat mine, it feels good. Mine. People are checking out you.
Mm-hmm. People are looking at you, dude. On camera.
Yeah.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
These are really soft. I'm thoroughly enjoying these. They were a little expensive, and you only get 6 Pop-Tarts. I don't know how many comes in a regular Pop-Tart package because I don't eat those, but these looked really good, and they tasted incredibly delicious. I'm not gonna lie, these are really, really, really good. The ingredients look solid.
Which one's yours?
Hey, don't eat mine.
Well, I just wanted to try that.
That's the same thing as yours. These ingredients are solid.
Do you want to smell mine?
Mmm.
Mine looks like cotton candy.
There is quite a bit of
Mine
sugar,
looks like apple.
but for
like
some
apple
reason,
jack.
if I get organic cane sugar, it doesn't
Mine
bother
looks
me.
like apple jack.
Oh yeah?
And the R1.
If I have refined sugars, I get all jacked up. But if I have organic sugar, it just doesn't bother me. It's just what I've noticed. That was really good.
Pop-Tart! 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 Pop-Tart!
Mmm.
Pop-Tart! Pert.
You guys like it?
And then we can put the Pop-Tarts together. It's matching.
Would you eat these again and again?
Yeah, yeah.
Would you eat them again and again? Yeah? These are really good. These are good for breakfast for you guys. It definitely makes you want some milk though. Do you guys want some milk?
I'm for straw. Yay. Or you can dip milk. Or you can dip our Pop-Tarts in the milk. Honey.
You can. Let's try this out. Dippy doo.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Ah! Hey! They're checking out me now.
There are. So I got myself some almond milk, so I can't drink regular milk. Is there a tractor over there, Oliver?
Yeah, it was on the TV.
The tractor was on the TV?
Yeah.
Nice!
Tractor! I can't believe you saw a tractor. Guys, throw it. Yeah, come see. Tractor.
I would say that these Nature's Path organic frosted berry strawberry toasted pastries were a real success.
Yeah.
The kids seem to like them when there's not a tractor. So once again, Nature's Path, strawberry Pop-Tarts, pastries, whatever you want to call them,
That is a tractor.
were really good. I do believe they were a success. The kids seem to like them. I personally liked it uncooked better, but let me know what you think. Shoot me a comment down below and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel,
No.
and
Not yet.
we'll see you next time, guys. Peace out!
Come see the my tractor.
And here's what the kids are looking at. Dude's got his tractor in my backyard. Well, you know, I call it my backyard. Here comes the tractor!
Yay! Yeah! I love tractors!
Look at it, he's coming. Let's wave at him when he comes by. I bet he's having fun.